Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Gauss elimination method. The question is, solve the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to 6, 3x1 plus 3x2 plus 4x3 is equals to 20, 2x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 is equals to 30. Let us solve this method by step. So, let us write this is the given system of the given system of equation can be written in matrix Ax is equals to b, that is Ax is equals to b. We know that A is equals to A matrix can be written as 1 1 1 3 3 4 2 1 3. So write 1 1 1 3 3 4 2 1 3. So this is the A. Next x we know that x can be written as x1 x2 and x3. B, so B they have given B is equals to 6 20 13. Now the augmented matrix is now the augmented matrix can be written as A is to B is equivalent to 1 1 1 is to write B matrix 6. Next 3 3 4 is to 20. 2 1 3 is to 13. So this is the augmented matrix can be written by given data. So R dash 3 tends to R3 minus 2 times of R1 and R dash 2 tends to R2 minus 3 times of R1. Here I am doing R2 and R3 rows or zeros. So first row same 1 1 1 is to 6. Second row R dash 2 tends to R2 minus 3 times of R1, that is 3 minus 3 times of R1, that is 1. 3 minus 3 0 we get. Next second 3 R2 3 minus 3 times of R1, same 3 minus 3 we get 0. Next 4 minus 3 into R1 is 1, so 4 minus 3 is 1. Next R2 minus 3 times of R1, 20 minus 3 times of 6, so 20 minus 18 we get 2. Next third row R3 minus 2 times of R1, that is 2 minus 2 times of R1 we get 0. Next 1 minus 2 times of 1, that is 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Next 3 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2 into 1 is 1 is to next 13 minus 2 into 6, that is 13 minus 6 2s are 12, so 13 minus 12 is 1. So since the pivoting in the second row is 0 here, interchanging the second and third row we get new pivoting equation, that is we are interchanging row 2 and 3. We get 1 1 1 is to 6, 0 minus 1 1 is to 1, 0 0 1 is to 2. So we'll get a new pivoting equation. You are confusing that what is pivoting. Pivoting is the first non-zero row entry in a row identified after the matrix is reduced to row echelon form. So by back substitution method we are using here x3 is equals to, what is this? 2. So x3 we got 2. Next, this second row, that is minus x1 is 0. So minus x2 plus x3, which is equals to 1. So we got 1. We know that x3 is 2. Minus x2 plus 2 is equals to 1. Minus x2 is equals to 1 minus, shift this to this side, 2 minus 2. Minus x2 is equals to minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus minus cancels. x2 is equals to 1. We got x2 is equals to 1. x3 is equals to 2. And we are solving for this row, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3, which is equals to 6. We know that x2 is 1 and x3 is 2. So substitute here x1 plus x2 is 1 plus x3 is 2, which is equals to 6. x1 plus 1 plus 2 is 3 is equals to 6. x1 is equals to 6 minus 3. x1 is equals to 6 minus 3 is 3. So we got x1 is equals to 3, x2 is equals to 1, x3 is equals to 2. So this is the Gauss elimination method.